Welcome to Painting for the Cure. So I'm Mylene Ausdauer and this is my husband Dave, and welcome to the special edition of Painting for the Cure. I named my banner as Painting for the Cure because painting serves as my therapy while I'm coping with cancer. So for this pour, it's my husband who's gonna do another pour because last time I was so thankful and grateful that he granted my wish. For the very first time, he poured, and it's amazing how it turned his pour. So I'm so happy that he did it, and he is willing to do another pour. That's why I will give the table to him, and I will let him play with the colors. So my husband will be the one who will pick the colors that he want to use for this pour, and he will do a straight pour since he's just starting the pour. So I will let him to do those basic pour. So I will give the table to you.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. After the first pour gave Mylene's heart such happiness and joy, I told her that I'd be willing to do another one in hopes that both the film and the production provide her the same level of happiness. So in today's pour, we've slightly mixed it up. Last time we had purple, green, and blue. This time we're gonna go with our violet, because remember if you remember our last video, I was picking violet because a colleague wore purple and inspired me to wear purple. Plus, one of my favorite villains in movies was Jack Nicholson's Joker from 1998 Batman. He wears purple very, very well. Another color we've chosen this time to mix things up a little bit is gold. Gold because one of the teams that I follow, the Vegas Golden Knights, use the color gold very well in their logo. So I thought, let's see how this looks in a canvas. And of course, last but not least is turquoise, which happens to be my favorite color. So we'll see how this all turns out here. On advice of the expert, I'm going to go ahead and pour everything into here and then do a pour onto the canvas here. So let's see how all this turns out, shall we? Okay. Go to the first line in the thing here.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
And then you'll go to the next color and we'll put that into the next line.
I think this one is kind of too much. You put it too much.
I can always pour it back.
Yeah.
You're the expert. You tell me how much I need. Listen up, ladies and gentlemen. She knows her stuff. If you have any questions, you know, she's the person that can tell you.
Something like this, because it's gonna be too much, and gold always creates cells.
See, you learn something new every day. Isn't she amazing, ladies and gentlemen? So we'll just pour some purple in here. Okay, and then we'll mix in some turquoise. Okay, we already have a lot of gold in there, so we'll go back to purple a little bit, and then we'll go back to turquoise, and we'll get it all the way filled up here. Yes? Okay, now that this thing has got a lot in here, add some more gold, just a little bit. Now, Mylene had told me to go to like all the way up here-ish, so as you can tell, we're a little over halfway there. Alright, so since we have a lot of gold, granted it looks like it's a lot of gold, but that's largely on the walls, but we're told that we've used a heck of a lot of gold, so we're going to go ahead and fill up to the half-liter mark here with our turquoise and purple. We have ourselves another episode of farting bottles. My goodness. They never learned their lessons the first time, did they? Okay, well, it looks like we're just about the leader mark here. So, and these bottles are all farting on me. So, let's go ahead and start our pour then, shall we? Doesn't that look lovely and intricate as the colors bleed together and blend as the colors expand to the out to the edge of the canvas here. Now, as you can see here, we're almost out here. Hopefully this is enough paint. As you can tell, we did not have a ton of gold in here, but okay, we got most of this thing poured. Let's go ahead and see how this looks as we
Move a little bit or stop so that's not gonna bother you.
Okay, good. Happy? Go ahead and stretch this out to the outer rims here, and we'll start by going to the edges that are farthest away. Trying to keep as much of the paint on the canvas as possible, even though I know that some of it's going to leak off the edges, and that's fine. I want to make sure that the first time I go around the corners here, I have enough paint to cover the body here. Good. Good, okay. Time to come back around. Come down to here. Okay. Good. Corner going on there.
I wonder what's that. What did you create?
It looks to me like it's some sort of island in the middle of the ocean with the blue and the green and the purple there contrasting to make a nice little serene ocean-like atmosphere.
Did you like your pour? Are you happy with your pour? Are you happy with that?
Well, I thought it was very interesting when it was all kind of stuck in the middle. Now that I'm getting it onto the spread out here onto the canvas like this, the gold is getting more and more to the edges.
Yeah, you get.
So it's less
There's
of an
a lot
island.
of more.
It's less of an island now than it was before. But we're gonna get this. We're gonna get this done.
You know what I see? It's like if it's like on the horizontal, just like a lost boat.
Something. Well,
There's a lost.
so we went from like some sort of island to now maybe some sort of coral reef or beach or something like that. Either way, the contrast of your blue and purple here really kind of gives a nice little setting of a resort or vacation ocean-like setting. There is a little air bubble right there, but that's okay.
There's the air torch there, but I'm the one who gonna torch that.
No worries. But it does look like the outer edges of a nice little peaceful resort
Can you turn
ocean
it on
kind
me?
of thing.
Can you turn that to me?
Okay. Like that here?
No, face it to me. Because this is what it looked like. Because there's a lot of gold. I really don't know what it is actually.
Well, gold is close to the color of sand, so you could imagine this as possibly some sort of island or beach or something like that.
Does it mean I'm gonna embellish this after?
Do whatever you like, dear.
Gosh.
I do love the
What? You like it?
the way the purple flows down here is just very peaceful.
So you like it?
2 thumbs up.
Okay, so that's what matters. In pouring or painting, it doesn't matter what other people will say. What important is you like your painting, you like your pour. Because different people have always different opinion when it comes to art. And in my case, if people say that we don't like your pour, it's ugly, what important for me is it make me happy when I pour, it make me happy when I paint.
How does this make you feel?
I'm so proud of you. You're trying everything.
Does this make you happy?
Yeah, because it's your art.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
So you're embracing my hobby. So
Maybe next time I'll do just a blue and purple kind of thing.
you should use more colors.
I knew you were going to say that.
That's why I said earlier, there is a deep magenta that you can use. You can add on it. It will give a little bit more depth to the paints.
Oh, I understand what you're saying, but you know magenta is red, right?
Okay. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for tuning in for another episode of Mylene Art. It's been a special pleasure to us to be able to host you and show you another lovely canvas being done. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you so much, guys. And this is the close-up look of the pour. So there's, I can see it's like a lost boat in this part. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, and be safe. Have a blessed day.